பஸ்ஸில் வளைந்து நாளை தலைவர்களாவோம் ஆவோமா. Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Yeah, welcome back to the session. Dear children, in our social subject, we have completed 2 lessons. Okay, here we are going to start the third lesson. Okay, so in that previous class, we have learnt about Congo region. Okay, DRC, right? Yeah. So here we are going to start a new lesson. Okay, so be ready for that. So you know the procedure of our class. Before start our session, we used to do the warm up. Okay, so we'll have the warm up session here. So please stand. Yeah. Now you have to stretch your hands and you have to fold your hands. Okay, listen my instructions and do it. Okay, if I say 1, you have to stretch. If I say 2, you have to fold your hands. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, now you can sit straight. To breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now you feel relaxed. We'll start our session. Okay, here I'm going to show few images. Okay, I'm going to show few images. Just observe. Okay, then we'll ask you the questions from that. Yeah? Yeah. What are you seeing from this picture? Yeah, you can see the animals roaming here and there. Okay. Then what is this? Yeah, the land, it's full of grass. Okay. Then do you know what it is? Yeah, zebras. Okay. So you can see different types of animals. Okay. Where do the animals live? Yeah, you know it very well. Where? Yeah, the animals live in forest. Okay. Then animal lives in forest. Okay, and do you know how the animals are getting food? Whether the animals will prepare? No, not at all. The animals will eat only the plants. Okay, but the lion, tiger, and all, it will prey other animals, then it will eat. Okay, but remaining animals will eat the grasses. Do you know the meaning for grass? Yeah, so here also you can see a vast land. Vast means big land. Yeah, it's called grassland. Okay, it's full of grass only will be there. Okay, trees will be very less in that region. So previous lesson we have learnt about the Congo region, about the people and healthy and wealthy, everything we have discussed. Here we are going to discuss about the treeless grasslands. Shall we see about it? Very interesting topics are there. We'll see our today's session. Okay, dear children? Yeah. So this picture is treeless grassland. So you know the meaning for grass, right? Okay, there is no trees. Trees will be there, but very less. Okay, like a desert. Okay, in desert also you can't see there many trees. Okay, empty places only will be there. One or two trees, I mean one or two plants or trees will be exist in that desert. So our topic is the treeless grasslands. Treeless in the sense, tree means treeless means there is no trees at all except one or two. Okay. So our topic is the treeless grasslands. Okay. For you, fifth standard C. Okay, dear children. Yeah. So the learning objective is here. In this class, we are going to learn about introduction of treeless grassland. Okay, this is a new lesson, so we'll discuss about what is treeless grassland. Okay, there is no more trees, grasses will be more. Okay, so in this class, we are going to learn about introduction of treeless grassland. Okay, shall we begin? Okay, dear children. Yeah. So here also you can see the picture of treeless grassland. Say children, can you find any trees here? Tell me. No, you could not find any trees from this place. Okay, from this region. So only this region is called the treeless grassland. So here we are going to see about introduction of the treeless grasslands. We'll see what it is. Okay, yeah. So here we are going to discuss few points about treeless grasslands. Okay. So the first one, there are vast grasslands in the northern hemisphere. What is the meaning for vast? Yeah, I told you already. Vast means very, very, very large, big area. Okay. So there are vast grasslands. Vast means big grasslands are present in those regions. Okay, especially in the northern hemispheres. Then most of these grasslands are far away from the oceans. Okay, so these grasslands are away from the oceans. Okay, far away means the distance more. Okay, oceans will be there in one place. Okay, after that, after a mile, okay, the grasslands will be exist. Okay, so most of these grasslands are far away from the oceans. Okay, it will present in the long distance. Okay, so trees do not grow well in these regions. Can you tell me why the trees do not grow well in these regions? The reason is the water is less. Okay, and also here tre- trees do not grow well. Okay, the reason, the soil is different. Okay, for different regions. Okay, so only most of the places are occupied by the grass. Okay, so only we can say treeless grasslands. Then so instead, tall grasses are found here. Okay, there is no more big trees. Okay, but tall grasses. Tall in the sense the height will be more. Okay, so you know it. Grass means it will be short. Okay, but here the tall grasses are found. Okay, shall we see about it? So, what are the points we have discussed? First one, there are vast grasslands in the northern hemisphere. Then, next one, okay, the grasslands are present far away from the oceans. Next, the trees do not grow well in these regions. Okay, here only the grasses will grow well. Then, instead, tall grasses are found here. Okay, instead of trees, tall grasses are found in that place. Okay, yeah. So these grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. For example, for you in school, one name will be there. Okay, the same thing in your home, your parents will call you in different names. Yes or no? Like a pet names. Okay, same thing for here. The grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. Okay, for example, even the food items also will called in different names in different places. Yes or no? So for the grassland also different names are there in different parts of the world. We shall see one by one. Students, are you all listening? Yeah, sit straight all of them. So in South America they are called the pampas. Okay. So don't think pampas in the sense the baby will use, no, that is not. Okay. So here in South America they are called the pampas. I will show you the image. Okay, in that upcoming slides. Can you repeat the spelling? Pampas. 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 Where? In South America they are called. In South America they are called. The grassland name is Pampas. Can you repeat the spelling, dear children? Yeah, Pampas. Pampas. Please memorize the word while I'm teaching itself. Then in Australia, these grasslands are known as the downs. Okay, so in our place, down means at the bottom. Okay, but in Australia, these grasslands are known as the downs. Okay, what is the spelling for it? DOWNS, downs. Then in South Africa, they are called the velds. Okay, what is that? Velds. Okay, you should not say pronounce D too strongly, you should say belts. Okay, so in Australia how the people will call downs. In South Africa how they are called belts. Okay, in Australia they used to call downs. In South Africa they are called the belts. Okay, so the grassland has many names. Okay, like you will have the different names in your different places, no, in your family one name, school one name, with friends one name. Like that the grassland also has many names in different parts of the world. Okay, dear children, so once again just repeat the words. Pampas. Yeah, say along with me. Pampas, downs, wells. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. Just observe this picture. This place also belongs to grassland. Okay, this place also belongs to grassland. Yeah, such a beautiful place. You could not find any kind of trees here. Okay, yeah. So in Asia, the steppes or Asiatic grasslands stretch eastwards from the Ural Mountains. In Asia, the steppes or Asiatic grasslands stretch eastwards from the Ural Mountains. What is the meaning for Ural Mountains? Highest mountains are called as Ural Mountains. Okay, in Asia, the steppes or Asiatic grasslands stretch eastwards from the Ural Mountains. Okay, we can say Ural or else Ural. Okay, so Ural means the highest mountains. Okay, then in North America, the grasslands are called the prairies. Okay, in North America, the grasslands are called the prairies. Okay, repeat this word. Prairies. Prairies. How they will call in North America? In South America is different name. In North America is different name. In North America, the grasslands are called the prairies. Okay. Then they stretch from the middle of the United States of America. So United States in the sense USA. Okay. They stretch from the middle of the United States of America. Okay. So here we have seen 3 points. Okay. So here the highest mountains will be the Ural Mountains, and in North America the grasslands are called the prairies, and they stretch from middle of the United States of America. Yeah. So the grassland. Here is the map of grassland. Here is the map of grassland. So grasslands of the world. Okay, in world, which are the places the grasslands are present. Okay, so here you can see the dark green colors are shown, right? Okay, these are called the grasslands, not remaining place, only the dark green part. Okay, so you can see the prairies, yeah, in North America, right? In prairies, here you can see the North America. Then savanna, veld I told you, know, welds. Then pampas, as we have seen already. Then steppes. Okay, and savanna and pampas. Okay, in two places you can see the pampas, South America and also Australia. Okay, in few places alone. Okay, so in these places grasslands are exist. Okay, dear children. Yeah. So in North America, the grasslands are called the prairies. Okay, as we have seen already, in North America, the grasslands are called the prairies. So this place is called prairies. Can you see? Yeah. Which animal is this? Yeah, giraffes. Okay, many giraffes are found in prairies. I mean, in North America, grasslands. Okay, so this place is called as a prairies. Repeat the spelling: prairies. 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 In which place they will called as prairies? Yeah, in North America. So here the area is a vast flat plain with no big trees. Okay, so in that beginning we have seen about a point. Instead of tall trees, tall grasses are present. So this also called the tall grasses. Okay, this variety is called as a tall grass. Okay, it's not a plant, grass only. Okay, they have taken the snap like that. Okay, it's like a big, okay, but it's a big grass. Okay, so the area is a vast flat plain with no big trees. Okay. So this wonderful place also called what? Treeless grassland. Just see, there is no more trees at all. Yes or no? Yeah, there is no more trees at all. Fully grass. Once the heavy wind is come, okay, the place will be cool and beautiful. Okay, so especially during evening hours. Okay, we'll see a point about it. So the stretch from the middle of the United States of America. Okay, the stretch from middle of the United States of America. So it's stretching the middle of the USA. Stretching in the sense, you know it, right? Okay, nearby. Okay, stretch the middle of the United States of America. So like this only will be there. Okay. United States of America, we can say USA. Okay, dear children? Yeah. So, here one more map about grasslands. So, very clear picture. Yeah. So, here three things are there. One is desert, grasslands, and forest. Okay. So, in grassland, I mean in that exact region, three things are exist in big manner. Okay, so especially desert, grasslands, and forest. Okay, but our topic is grasslands. Grassland is rare, so along with grassland, desert part and forest part are mentioned. Okay, so grasslands are mentioned in light green color. Okay, so these places are called grasslands. Okay, and desert, so desert places are colored in yellowish color. Then forest are mentioned in dark green colors. Okay, you just observe the light green color. These color places are called grassland. Yeah. Treeless grassland. Okay, yeah. I hope this map is very clear comparing the first one. Okay, yeah. So here different types of animals are found. Okay, in grassland, different types of animals are there. Okay, shall we see one by one? Yeah, here many animals are there. So I could not show one by one. Just observe many animals in a single picture. Then we'll read out one by one. Okay, dear children? Yeah. So first one, tiger. Repeat along with me. Tiger, deer. Repeat along with me. Lion, henna, cheetah, ostrich, zebra. Yeah, this you have seen, right? Rhino. The full name we can say rhinoceros. Bison, elephant, kangaroo. Repeat, children. Armadillo, falcon, secretary bird. Then snake, you know it very well. Lizard and frog. Okay, so these kind of animals exist in grassland. Okay, especially these three are important one. Okay, frog, lizard, and snake. Okay, so these animal, I mean these kind of animals will spoil the grassland. Especially it will eat the grasses often. Okay, but from that waste, okay, the new plant will grow. I mean new plant in the sense new grass. Okay, so these animals are very useful in grassland. Okay, so grassland animals, so nearly many animals we have seen. Yeah, once the session is over, please write down the names of each animal and by heart it. Okay, dear children, so these are the animals are present in grassland. Okay, yeah. So the land surface. Okay, how the land surface will be. So the word prairie in French means meadow or grassland. The word prairie. Okay, prairies means grassland. Do you remember, dear children? Yeah. So the word prairie in French means meadow or grassland. Okay, in French word, what we should say? Meadow or grassland. So grassland is common, but The word in French we have to call meadow. What is that? Meadow. So the land surface, children, whatever you are seeing at the backdrop, I mean the background, it's actually the particular place. Okay, I did not show separately. You have to feel, okay, you are in that place. Okay, are you people are there? Yeah, where we are? Yeah, we are in treeless grassland region. Okay, so the word prairie in French means meadow or grassland. So once the lockdown is over, okay, we'll go for a trip, okay, to the treeless grassland. Okay, dear children? Yeah. So the land surface will be very beautiful and it's very cool and attractive. Yeah, if you go there, you will forget your school and your parents. You will enjoy only. Okay, yeah. Here is a small video about the treeless grasslands. Kindly observe it, dear children. Today, yeah, here we'll show you few information about grassland. 1 minute. The treeless grassland. So this place also the grassland only, but it's dry. So grassland are large plain of grass. Large plain of grass in the sense tallest. Okay, they are found in warm and dry places. Warm means hot. In these areas, the rainfall is too little for forests to grow, but just enough to prevent the land from turning into a desert. Okay, this is not a desert, but if the rainfall is less, it will become a desert. So, hence, there are very few trees or bushes in a grassland. So, bushes means small plants. Okay, small plants. So in that green grassland, two things will be. One place will be dry. One place, another part will be fully greenish. Okay, dear children. Yeah. So the grasslands are known by different names in different countries, as we have seen in our previous slides. So in map, you can see the different parts of the grasslands. Just observe it. Here you can see the prairies, then pampas and belts. Okay, these names we have learned or not? Yeah, so prairies, pampas and wells, steepers. What is the one more? Downs. Okay, so it will call in different names in different parts of the region. Okay, prairies, pampas, wells and steepers, downs. Okay, kindly by heart these different names of the grasslands. Yeah, about the prairies. The prairies lies in the North America as we have seen already. Then prairie is a French word which means grassland. Okay, I hope you remember the word, dear children. Yeah, they extend from Canada to Mexico. Okay, the place I told you no, far away from the ocean. Okay, so here exactly they have mentioned it's present Canada to Mexico. Okay, yeah. So it converts the whole of central USA. USA means United States of America. So the how the land will be, yeah, such a wonderful place. The prairies were once covered with thick tall grasses. Today these flat and fertile lands are the biggest farming regions of the world. Okay, the Mississippi and the Missouri are two big rivers that flow through this region. Okay, which are the rivers? Mississippi and Missouri. Okay, one you are seeing at the back is the Mississippi River. Okay, yeah. So in this place, the trees are very tall. Okay, it's from the land place. Okay, but we are discussing about the treeless grassland. Okay, that is another part of the region. So the land surface will be like this, and you can see the climate. Yeah, the such a cool climate. So winters are cold and summers are hot. Winters are cold and summers are hot as usual in all the places, but here will be different. I mean, in the highest level. So rainfall is moderate, neither too much nor too less. So rainfall in the sense the raining will not be much, will not be too less. Okay, it will be equal as per the climatic condition. Okay, it depends on the climatic conditions of the weather. Okay, yeah. You can see the place. Yeah, you can see the heavy black clouds. Okay, it may come rain in that place now. Then rainfall occurs mostly in the season of summer. Yeah,